friends, welcome to my 15 minutes video channel. Today is Monday, that means together we will make the fast sketch. Today I'm following the exercise you can find in my book Colored Water. This book available on my website watercoloronline.com, and we follow the exercise and lesson number 3. I mean the painting by one layer, one touch. I can explain you why. The artist following the simple steps. Usually we make the first layer like a background, sky, ground, something. After that put the second layer with the objects and the important parts, and just in the end make the details. There are 3 simple steps, and normally people following that steps all the time. Today we will make the very fast sketch just by one layer. That means one touch. The rules is simple. Do your best to touch your paper just one time. For this I'm gonna use my sketchbook and a palette, Chinese calligraphy brush and glass of water. All the materials available on my website watercoloronline.com. I just use the tape to tape my sketchbook. Right here you can see the picture what I'm gonna use for reference, but again it's just for reference. And for a sketch I'm use the pencil, and all my sketch is just the line between objects and the water. That's all what I need. Talking about the colors, I'm gonna use like usual Daniel Smith, and all the green colors we're gonna mix between Quinacridone, deep gold and Phtalo green blue shade. And surprise, sometimes we really need a sky for our landscapes or cityscapes, but sometimes we don't have to do that. If we have a beautiful clouds or bright blue color on the sky, that's great, we can do that. If not, just simply ignore it. Well, let's go. And I'm using a little bit more indigo to make the darkness color here. You already know my Chinese brush, that's why I like it. So this brush makes the trees itself. You see, I'm trying to play with the values. Somewhere it's more lighter, somewhere more darker. And if you want to bring the good feeling of the light, we can use the washout just like that. And that kind of style of painting possible because I'm using the high quality paper. This sketchbook made from Arches paper. You see, that's why here it's just one touch was, but it's still wet, and that means I can connect my second touching just like that. So that's simple. Wash out. And for now I'm going opposite way. I mix Perylene violet and cobalt and starting to paint from bottom to top. A little bit more Quinacridone Sienna inside. A little bit dry brush strikes there. And I prepare the one simple mix. In my green I add a little bit Quinacridone Sienna. It's still green color, so Phtalo green blue shade and Quinacridone Sienna together, and we're gonna make the reflection. And you see I'm touching this line, so no worries, it's just going to blend it itself, which is good for us. And we're gonna make just copy the same shape. If I have a dark spot there, I add some dark here too. We just keep it symmetry. It's a very simple way to make the reflection. Keep it symmetry. And just in the end, I add the dark accents there, and here, here and here. And if you want to make the water look like a water, we're gonna use wash out again, just to remove the pigments. Just like this. A little bit highlights. Following the same rules, you see we keep it symmetry, just like that. And if you want to make it look nice, just spray water a little bit, just by your fingers. It's make the very nice special effect of water. It's a touching of life. So like you see, it's a really simple things. Just feel free, play with the colors, and you see I'm moving from top to bottom using the gravity, our friend. So that exercises you can find in my book. This is a full guide for the beginners. In that book you will find a lot of great tips and all my personal experience. Thank you for watching, be safe, and see you next Monday. Bye bye.